universal symphony. We all heard about the Starlink project. That may be the next step of the internet development. It all started in January 2015 when the bright Elon Musk announced through SpaceX about his huge new project, Starlink, which is a mega constellation of tiny satellites that will provide a fast internet with a speed about 50 megabytes per second to 150 megabytes per second for all the planet, but especially for far and isolated regions that have hard internet access or no access at all. That means even if you are living in a small village in a low place, or you are in some isolated cave at a mountain, or you are walking for a wild adventure to undiscovered places, don't worry. Starlink is your solution. No matter where you are, you will always stay connected to the world. In 2018, two prototypes of satellite was launched into orbit as a test on the rocket Falcon 9. Then, in 24 May 2019, the first launch of 60 satellites was done successfully, and the launches rolled in until reaching 22 flights in March 2021. By that time, it must be 12,000 satellites in low Earth orbit. Each one from those satellites is 260 kilograms in mass, which is approximately equal to the weight of a pig. It's also equipped with 4 antennas and a single solar array. Another unfamiliar thing about Starlink satellite is that it represents the first krypton-propelled spacecraft ever flown. That means it's using krypton as a fuel. The special thing about it is that in the end life of any satellite from this constellation, that means when it's become out of service, it will automatically deorbit and back to Earth in order to avoid condensation of mechanical debris around the Earth. The enormous money used by SpaceX to run this project won't be free of charge, because the cash flow that comes from it, for example from selling some of it, will be considered as a fund for Mars plans. And of course, everything have a dark side. And the one of Starlink is it makes some astronomers worry about how the brightness of 12,000 satellites will affect the observation of the night sky. So they still searching for a solution to that. There is a lot of similar projects to Starlink launched by OneWeb, Telesat and Amazon, which are committed to send thousands of satellites also. There is a technological race Earth news. So let's see who will be the first who can take us to the next step.